I'm turning 38 this year. It's crazy. I wanna age fine. You know what I mean? Like, if I can take any supplement, maintaining supplement to improve my skin elasticity, to reduce whatever that helps reduce wrinkles, to help my skin texture, to keep me glowing, I take a lot of supplement. And one of the supplement that I take is collagen. Collagen is such, it's part of my daily routine now. I have to have collagen every day. And if you do not believe that collagen works, then I can force you. For me, this is the best collagen. It does work. It works for me. And you have to be consistent taking it for you to be able to see result. I don't know how many times I also have cut my nails, too many times, because it just grows so fast. It keeps my hair so healthy, and also my skin. So if you are thinking about what collagen to buy or what collagen to take, try WellGuard collagen. It sold about 100 plus thousand tabs because a lot of people like it and people see result for the WellGuard collagen. And yeah, it's the best collagen for me. Guys, let's drink a coffee.